In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile rent in Xero. We'll walk through how to match a rent payment from your bank feed to the correct transaction in Xero, so your accounts stay accurate and up to date. This process is quick once you know where to look, and I'll point out a few checks along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. Start on your Xero dashboard or within your bank account. Look for the Reconcile button. This takes you to the bank reconciliation screen, where Xero lists incoming and outgoing lines pulled in from your bank feed. Each line represents money that actually moved in your bank, and your goal is to connect that line to the right bill or spend money transaction in Xero. Find the line for your rent payment. It might be labeled with your landlord's name or a rent reference, and it should have the correct date and amount. If you have many transactions, use the search box or scan by amount to narrow it down. Once you've located the rent payment, click Match on that line. This opens the matching panel, where Xero suggests existing transactions that could correspond to the bank line. In the matching panel, review the suggested transaction carefully. You're looking for the approved bill or spend money entry that represents this month's rent, with the same contact, the same amount, and a reasonable date. If you see the correct one, click the checkbox to select it. Double check the details. The contact name should be your landlord or property manager, the amount should match exactly, and any tax treatment should look right for how you normally record rent. If there are multiple suggestions, take a moment to confirm you've chosen the one that truly aligns with the bank line. With the correct transaction selected, click Reconcile. Xero links the bank payment to that transaction, marks the bill as paid if it was outstanding, and moves the bank line off your reconciliation list. You can confirm the result by opening your bank account's account transactions report or by viewing the rent bill itself, which should now show a payment applied on the same date and for the same amount. This keeps your balances accurate and your audit trail clean. If a match doesn't appear, it usually means the bill isn't approved yet or the amounts don't align. Fixing those items and returning to this screen will typically surface the correct match. That's it. Your rent is reconciled. Repeat this approach each month to keep your books tidy and your reconciliation queue clear.